In a splendid kingdom known for its grandeur and prosperity, there lived a peculiar mouse named Maurice. Maurice was no ordinary mouse. He was the royal mouse, residing in the palace and serving as the keeper of the royal treasures. While he was entrusted with guarding the kingdom's riches, he was also known as a mischievous pig. Morris was a sly and cunning mouse, and he couldn't resist the lure of precious gems, gold, and intricate jewelry that filled the palace walls. His small size and agility allowed him to slip into hidden crevices and avoid the guards' watchful eyes. Over the years, he had amassed quite a collection of stolen treasures. But as time passed, a sense of guilt began to weigh heavily on Morris's heart. He realized that his actions were hurting the kingdom, and his thieving ways were not befitting a mouse of royal status. He yearned to change his life, to be known for more than his clever thefts. One bright morning, as the sun rays illuminated the palace, Morris made a life-altering decision. He decided to return all the treasure he had stolen over the years, starting with the most valuable one, the queen's diamond necklace. It wasn't an easy task. As the palace was guarded day and night, Morris devised an elaborate plan to bypass the guard and return the stolen necklace. It was a risky endeavor, but his determination to change his life, Morris managed to sneak into the queen's chamber and carefully placed the diamond necklace on her vanity. When the queen discovered the necklace, she was perplexed and delighted. Her joy spread throughout the palace, and news of the returned treasure quickly made its way to the king. King Fushua, though initially angry at the thieving mouse, but he saw a change in Maurice's eyes. He recognized the sincerity of his intentions and decided to give him a chance to prove himself. Maurice was no longer the royal mouse who stole from the kingdom. He was now the royal mouse who had a newfound purpose. He dedicated himself to serving the kingdom with kindness and loyalty. He used his knowledge of the palace to protect it from external threats and became the kingdom's most trustworthy advisor. Maurice's transformation was celebrated throughout all the land. His actions proved that even the most cunning and selfish individuals could change and make amends for their mistakes. His story was a testament to the power of redemption, kindness, and the ability of anyone, no matter how flawed, to become a better version of themselves. Maurice has evolved from a royal thief into a royal hero, reminding all that it was never too late to choose the path of goodness. If you like this story, hit the subscribe button